Think paper is just paper. Think again. Discover the surprisingly high-tech world of paper manufacturing. We use it every day, but have you ever stopped to think about how paper is made? The paper manufacturing industry in the UK is a blend of traditional processes and cutting-edge technology, offering diverse and surprisingly technical careers. If you're interested in manufacturing, engineering, or even environmental sustainability, a role in paper manufacturing could be more intriguing than you imagine. Let's unfold the career path of a paper manufacturer. So how do you get into the world of paper manufacturing? There isn't a single direct paper manufacturer degree, but several educational paths can lead you into this industry. A degree in chemical engineering, mechanical engineering, or process engineering can provide a strong foundation. These degrees equip you with the scientific and technical knowledge needed to understand the complex processes involved in paper production. Universities like the University of Manchester offer excellent chemical engineering programs, and the University of Sheffield has well-regarded mechanical engineering degrees both relevant for this sector. Apprenticeships are also a valuable entry route, particularly for hands-on roles. Look for manufacturing engineering apprenticeships or process industry apprenticeships offered by paper mills or manufacturing companies. These apprenticeships often lead to NVQ qualifications in papermaking or related process operations. City and Guilds qualifications can also be beneficial. The City and Guilds Level 2 Diploma in Paper and Board Making Operations, 06110-22, provides a practical, industry-specific qualification. Building on this, the City and Guilds Level 3 Advanced Technical Diploma in Manufacturing Engineering, 820331, can further enhance your technical skills and career prospects. For those with a keen interest in the environmental aspect of paper production, a degree in environmental science or sustainable manufacturing could also be relevant, opening doors to roles focused on sustainable paper production and environmental management within the industry. What does a paper manufacturer actually do? It's a broad term, encompassing various roles within the paper production process. You might be involved in overseeing the entire manufacturing process, from pulp preparation to the finished paper product. This could include monitoring machinery, controlling production line operations, ensuring quality control, and troubleshooting technical issues. Roles can also focus on specific areas like pulping, bleaching, paper machine operation or converting, cutting, coating. Increasingly, paper manufacturing involves advanced technology and automation, so you might be working with computer-controlled systems, data analysis, and process optimization. Environmental considerations are also a key part of the job, with a focus on sustainable practices, waste reduction, and energy efficiency. Is a career in paper manufacturing the right fit for you? Certain traits and interests are particularly well suited to this industry. A practical and hands-on approach is important, as many roles involve working directly with machinery and processes. Problem-solving skills are crucial for troubleshooting technical issues and optimizing production. Attention to detail is needed for quality control and ensuring consistent product standards. An interest in science, engineering, and manufacturing processes is naturally beneficial. Increasingly, an awareness of environmental issues and sustainability is also valuable, as the paper industry is focused on becoming more environmentally responsible. Teamwork and communication skills are also important, as you'll likely be working as part of a production team. If you enjoy working in a sometimes noisy industrial environment and are comfortable with a blend of physical and technical tasks, paper manufacturing could be a good match. What are the typical working conditions in paper manufacturing? Be prepared for an industrial environment. Paper mills are typically factory or plant-based environments. It can be a noisy environment due to the machinery, and you'll be working in proximity to large-scale industrial equipment. Shift work is common in paper mills, as production often runs 24/7 to maximize efficiency. This means you might work days, nights, or rotating shifts. Safety is paramount in paper manufacturing, and strict safety procedures are in place. While some tasks are physically demanding, involving manual handling and machinery operation, many roles also involve computer-based monitoring and control systems. The environment can be hot and humid in certain areas of the mill due to the paper drying process. What are the career prospects in paper manufacturing? While it might seem like a traditional industry, there's ongoing evolution and opportunity. With experience, you can progress to supervisory roles, team leader positions, or shift manager roles, overseeing production teams and specific areas of the mill. Further career advancement can lead to production management roles, plant management or engineering management positions with responsibility for larger sections of the operation or the entire mill. Specialization is also possible, focusing on areas like process optimization, quality control, environmental management, or specific types of paper production. With the industry's increasing focus on sustainability, roles related to environmental compliance and sustainable practices are also growing in importance and offer good career pathways. Continuous professional development and staying updated with new technologies and processes are key to career advancement in this sector. The skills and experience you gain in paper manufacturing are transferable to a range of other manufacturing and process-based industries. You could transition into roles in other types of manufacturing, such as food processing, chemicals or pharmaceuticals, where similar process control and production management skills are valued. Process engineering roles in various industries are a natural fit, leveraging your understanding of industrial processes and optimization. Quality control management is another transferable path, as your experience in maintaining product standards is applicable across manufacturing sectors. With a focus on environmental aspects, you could move into environmental management or sustainability consulting roles, advising companies on greener manufacturing practices. Supply chain management and logistics roles also benefit from your understanding of production processes and material flow. Let's weigh the pros and cons of a career in paper manufacturing. The advantages includes job security. Paper is still a vital product, and manufacturing is a foundational industry. Hands-on and practical work for those who prefer it over purely office-based roles. Opportunity to work with technology and complex processes. Potential to contribute to more sustainable manufacturing practices. And for certain roles and levels of experience, decent earning potential. The disadvantages includes industrial working environment which might not suit everyone. Shift work can be challenging for work-life balance. Safety-critical environment requiring constant vigilance and adherence to procedures. And perhaps a perception of the industry as less glamorous than some tech or service sectors, although it is a crucial and evolving industry. Let's talk about earnings in paper manufacturing. Salaries can vary depending on the specific role, experience, qualifications, and location of the mill. Entry-level roles such as production operatives or trainee technicians might start in the range of £20,000 to £25,000 per year. With experience and training, paper mill technicians or process operators can earn £25,000 to £35,000 annually. Supervisory roles like team leaders or shift supervisors can command salaries of £35,000 to £45,000 per year. Production managers, plant managers, and specialised engineering roles can earn significantly more, potentially reaching £50,000 to £70,000+, especially in larger mills or for senior positions. Overtime and shift allowances can also add to earnings. Want to explore a career in paper manufacturing further? Here are some valuable resources. The Confederation of Paper Industries, CPI, is the main trade association for the UK paper industry. Their website is a great source of industry information, news, and potentially career resources. Pulp and Paper International, PPI, is a global industry publication that provides insights into the paper market, technology, and companies worldwide, useful for understanding the broader industry context. Local paper mills themselves are often the best resource. Many have websites with careers sections or may offer mill tours or work experience opportunities. And for engineering and manufacturing qualifications, explore the City and Guilds website for specific course details and approved training providers. So, could a career in paper manufacturing be your unexpected calling? It's an industry that's more complex and technologically advanced than many realise, offering stable, skilled jobs with opportunities for growth and contribution to a vital product. If you're intrigued by manufacturing processes and want a hands-on career in a foundational industry, explore the resources mentioned and consider taking the first step into the world of paper. Find helpful links in the description below for resources, training and career advice to kickstart or grow your journey as a paper manufacturer. Thanks for watching Career Chronicles UK. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe and share to inspire others to find their dream careers too. See you in the next video!